Dear students, in this video lecture we will discuss few multiple choice questions in chapter Budgets and Budgetary Control for subject Advanced Accounting and Auditing, paper 8, class 3rd year BCom, semester 6. Question number 1. Production capacity 60%, 90% and 100%. Overheads at 60% level 60,000, at 90% level 75,000, at 100% level it would be question mark. Option A rupees 80,000, option B rupees 75,000, option C rupees 1,05,000 and option D rupees 90,000. Here our overheads are semi-variable cost. So at 60% rupees 60,000, at 90% rupees 75,000. So difference of overhead amounts to rupees 15,000 and the difference in percentage production capacity is 30%. So at 30% our variable cost is 15,000. So at 60% it would be question mark. So it amounts to 30,000. It means out of 60,000, 30,000 is variable cost. So remaining 30,000 is our fixed cost. Okay. Now 15% at 30% change, cost increase 15,000. So 30% per variable cost 15,000. So 100% per question mark. So 15 multiply 100 divide by 30. So it would be 50,000. So variable cost at 100% would be 50,000 plus fixed cost 30,000. So total cost, total overhead at 100% level would be 80,000. So option A is the correct answer. Next, number 2. Current production is 6,000 units and factory expenses are rupees 4 per unit, in which 50% is fixed. What will be the factory expenses for 12,000 units? Dear students, here 6,000 units, factory expenses rupees 4 per unit, total 24,000. Out of 24,000, 50% is fixed, that is 12,000. So per unit rupees 2 is variable. So 2 multiplied by 12,000 units would be 24,000. 24,000 variable plus 12,000 fixed, that amounts to rupees 36,000. So our correct option is C, 36,000. Next, third, production at 20% capacity is 2,000 units. Depreciation at 50% level is rupees 6 per unit, while at 75% level is rupees 4 per unit. Specify which type of expense depreciation is. Dear students, depreciation is always a fixed expenses which remain constant at every level of production. Here our options are A, variable, B, semi-variable, C, direct and D, fixed. So our correct answer is option D, that is fixed expenses. Next, number 4. Which of the following cost is not relevant to flexible budget? Option A, fixed cost, option B, differential cost, option C, variable cost, option D, total cost. Students, fixed cost, variable cost and total cost are considered in flexible budget. So our answer is B, differential cost is irrelevant cost for flexible budget. Number 5. In a flexible budget of a company, at 40% level material cost is rupees 1 lakh. Then what would be material cost at 60% level of production? Option A, rupees 1 lakh, option B, rupees 1,50,000, option C, rupees 2,25,000, option D, rupees 2 lakh. Students, material cost is 100% variable cost. It varies with production proportionately. So at 40% level material cost is 1 lakh. So at 60% level it would be question mark. So our amounts to 40 is equal to 1 lakh, 60 is equal to question mark. So 1 lakh multiply 60% divide by 40%. So it would be rupees 1 lakh 50,000. So our correct answer is B, rupees 1 lakh 50,000. Next, repair and maintenance cost is considered as a dash cost while preparing flexible budget. A, fixed cost, B, semi variable cost, C, variable cost, and D, none of A, B and C. Here repair and maintenance cost is considered as overhead and it would be a semi variable cost. So option B is correct, semi variable cost. Seventh, in a flexible budget, a company at 50% level sales is rupees 1 lakh. Then what would be the sales at 75% level of production if selling price is reduced by 10%? Option A 1 lakh 50,000, option B 1 lakh 35,000, option C rupees 1 lakh 25,000, option D rupees 1 lakh 55,000. Here first we will work out sales proportionately, that is at 50% level it is 1 lakh, so at 75% level it would be question mark. So that amounts to 1 lakh 50,000. 50% is equal to 1 lakh, so 75% is equal to 1 lakh 50,000 minus 10% reduction in selling price. So 1 lakh 50,000 minus 10% amounts to rupees 1 lakh 35,000. So option B is the correct answer. Next, number 8. Cash budget is useful tool for A, tax planning, B, purchase planning, C, sales planning, and D, financial planning. Cash budget is a tool for a short term financial planning. So our correct answer is option D, financial planning. Number 9. Wages of August and September are rupees 12,000 and 15,000 respectively. Time lag is 1/3 months. Calculate amount to be paid in September. So in the month of September we have to find out the payment of wages. Option A rupees 4,000, option B rupees 13,000, option C rupees 14,000, and option D rupees 27,000. So in the month of September wages of month August will be paid 1/3 and that of September 2/3. So 1/3 of 12,000 will be 4,000 plus 2/3 of 15,000 will be 10,000. So in the month of September we will pay total wages rupees 14,000. Once again, in the month of September 1/3 of August will be paid, that is 1/3 of 12,000, 4,000, and in the month of September 2/3 of 15,000 will be paid, it will be 10,000. So total wages will be paid in the month of September 14,000. So correct answer is option C, rupees 14,000. Number 10. Total sales for the month is rupees 1 lakh, which includes 20% sales on cash basis. 5% goods of credit sales are returned. 50% of credit sales is received in the next month of sales and remaining in the second month of sales. Selling commission is 5% of net sales. The amount of commission will be A, rupees 4,275, B, rupees 4,320, C, rupees 4,800, and D, rupees 5,000. Here our total sale is 1 lakh, of which 20% is credit. It means remaining 80%, that is 80,000. 80,000 is our credit sales. of which 5% are returned. So 80,000 minus 5%, that will be 4,000. So we will get 76,000 net credit sale. 76,000 net credit sale plus 20,000 cash sales. So total sales would be 96,000. Our total net sales would be 96,000, and 96,000 multiply 5% commission amounts to rupees 4,800. Dear students, 50% collection in the first month of sale and remaining in the second month of sale is irrelevant information. So our commission amounts to rupees 4,800. Option C is correct answer. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video lecture. Very soon we will meet with other multiple choice questions in the same chapter.